Hi, my name is Antonio Hood.
I'm Josh Dutrumble, and we will be doing our social media marketing plan on Burton Snowboard Retail Company.
Alright, so for a basic overview, for our target and current focus, we're going to be focusing on young to middle-aged riders or prospective riders that are interested in snowboarding. And preparation for next season is our goal that we're going to aim for. And then for the history of the company, it's established in 1977 by Jake Carpenter and based out of Vermont. And then the main competitor is Volcom. Alright, for business objectives, increase big idea awareness by 50% in 2019. With the social media platforms that we're planning on using for this project, I believe that this is highly achievable. We're also going to improve brand awareness by posting 30% more often, primarily on Instagram and YouTube. And then increase in sales for the 2019 season by promoting 20% or more of the retail items.
Alright, so this is for our social media audit. You can see that for the company Burton, Instagram is the most used, so that's their most effective source. You can see the opportunity there is 5. They have a lot of followers. They do great promotion. They could perhaps promote more and more frequently. If you take a look at their competitor Volcom, they do about 20 posts a week as compared to Burton, who only does 15. So in that case, that would be one of the biggest areas to focus on. Along with YouTube, we have about 2 posts a week compared to Volcom's 1 post a week. So that's a spot that they're doing quite well, and they could use other platforms such as Facebook and Instagram to promote YouTube videos.
So for our company, the big idea for us is going to be make it big. Basically just strive for as big as you possibly can make it.
So here's kind of a storyboard. This is more of to work in some of the traditional sense of a TV advertisement. By the time we're done with this, you'll be able to see that this could be put before YouTube videos as an ad, on Facebook as an advertisement, or GIFs or pictures, also on Instagram as the same thing. So we're just going to kind of go through the entire framework of it real quick. So from the point of view, you're going to have multiple people who represent the brand. Both Jake, who we went over, is the owner and founder of Burton Snowboards. Then we're going to have Red Gerard, who is one of the best-known Burton snowboarders, who actually won the 2018 Olympics in the slopestyle. So basically, what's going to start out as, it's going to show Jake working all around hours of the day, exhausted, kind of getting his start up for his company. And then at the same time, it'll switch to Red, from his perspective, repeatedly practicing tricks from morning to night, just really getting in and going and grinding it out. And then from there, it'll go to Jake's opening of his shop. That'll be kind of the peak where it kind of pays off for Jake. He finally opens up Burn and he sells his first product. And in the same regard, Red wins his first amateur competition at a local mountain. So that's kind of the excel point for both of them. And then from there, it's going to show Jake constantly selling Burton products, getting his product into larger shops, opening his own company and his own shops everywhere all over the world. And then on the other hand, Red is going to be competing and riding for the Burton team. You'll see that. He'll be riding with them. And then kind of the resolution and where Make It Big comes into play, that'll come across the screen. That'll be the big focus. And basically what it's saying is that no matter what your profession is, no matter where you come from, you can always hashtag make it big.
Alright, so for the Instagram channel, we have a schedule set up here basically so for 12 p.m. on Monday, we're going to announce Jake Burton for the new Make It Big video. And starting on Tuesday, we're going to go to a post with Red Gerard to promote the video. And as you can see next to the chart, you see a picture of Red Gerard in the 2018 Olympics for a visual. And we can fast forward to Friday, post a clip from the new video with a countdown to release, all the way to Sunday, where we go to a video post with the intro to the Make It Big video. Basically, with YouTube and Facebook, it's going to be along the same lines. We're also going to post the videos there, and more posts about the Olympics and how we can make it big.
So for social media metrics, a way that we're going to be able to measure the KPIs and how well the Burton has done throughout the year, and with our objectives, which we covered at the beginning of this video. So the first objective, as we went over, is increase the big idea awareness. So as you can see from that last slide, that's going to be the main focus, and that hopefully that trend, the hashtag make it big, will carry all the way throughout 2019, and especially towards the beginning of the 2019 snowboard season, in hopes to enforce sales and kind of up that. So the way that we're going to do that, we're using the SMART goals. So hopefully by 50% by 2019, being very specific, as I said, by the beginning of that. Objective 2, so improve brand awareness. Burton is one of the most well-known snowboard companies. However, we think that by posting 30% more, we can get maybe first-time buyers and other people who are thinking about maybe transferring from skiing to snowboarding, or somebody who's just new to it, even clothing line type stuff, because Burton is more than just snowboard. So hopefully by posting about 30% more often, specifically on Instagram and Facebook, we could definitely do that. And then the way that we're going to measure that one, it's going to be likes on Instagram, and then hopefully YouTube, we're going to talk about the shares and subscriptions. So by people monitoring how many people subscribe, hopefully that means that more and more people are now kind of getting sucked into Burton as a company. And then objective 3 is going to be increased sales for the 2019 season. So this kind of goes along, it kind of piggybacks with objective 1. So by promoting about 20% more, which this is going to be done by using that same hashtag, which is hashtag make it big. And from there, we're going to, on all platforms, the KPI is going to be likes and comments for Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And that's how we're going to judge that from there.
Alright, so basically this is a summary of the Make It Big campaign. On the left you have, like we said before, a picture of Red Gerard soaring through the air at the 2018 Winter Olympics. In the middle is just a screenshot of the Burton logo. And on the right is another Burton snowboarder soaring through the air. Make it big.
Yeah, guys, so hopefully throughout this video you've kind of come to understand our objective and our approach to this and how we're going to measure our goals that we have set. And hopefully by the beginning of the 2019 season for Burton, their sales have gone up. Their Make It Big hashtag has taken flight. And everything is good.